Amana, welcome to the Producer's Digital Office. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different and sharing with you a little bit about Lavi, telling you about their story, and giving you a short and easy recipe using their spicy peanut butter.
For this recipe, we'll be using Lavi's spicy peanut butter to make a sweet and spicy peanut butter sandwich. All you need is your bread of choice, pistachios, dates, sriracha, and Lavi's spicy peanut butter. First, slice and toast your bread and set it aside. Take your dates and unsalted pistachios and give them a chop, as finely or roughly as you'd like. Season with a bit of salt and set it aside as well. Then, grab your bottom slice of bread and generously spread Lavi's spicy peanut butter on its surface. Throw your pistachio date mix on top. Drizzle everything with a bit of sriracha, and then that's it. Lavi's peanut butter was born out of a handed-down family recipe and features only 3 ingredients in their ingredient list: peanuts, Scotch bonnet peppers, and salt. It's delicious and multi-use and works as a perfect base for savory dressings, soups, sauces, and even baked goods. This right here is a pretty special tub of peanut butter as far as I'm concerned. The recipe behind Lavi's spicy peanut butter is a Creole staple, a family recipe handed down, made with Haitian aflatoxin-free peanuts and Scotch bonnet peppers. But aside from being delicious and nutritious, Lavi is also transforming the lives of smallholder farmers, introducing them to stable markets, creating jobs, uplifting rural women and marginalized communities, and bringing nutrient-dense snacks to schools. Empowering farmers is a core pillar of their brand. Did you know that at the top of every peanut butter jar is a QR code you can scan to learn more about the farmers behind Lavi? This resonates with us at Producers Market. We believe trust, traceability, and transparency are the future of agriculture. And with initiatives like Lavi's QR code inviting you to peek behind the curtain, or products like our StoryBird taking flight, the manufacturing process can be transparent, offering the world way more than just another tasty product.